When I was a kid, my head was full of ideas. There was nothing like the feeling of thinking that your invention idea was the best invention idea ever. I used to spend endless hours staring at nothing, just absorbed into my own little world, creating cool gadgets and watching them work in my head. At the time, I was just a kid, and I didn't really have any money or the knowledge to build the ideas that went through my mind. So, I would always have a little notebook with me where I would draw and write down inventions as detailed as I could, hoping that one day I could turn one of those inventions into reality. That's when I discovered what I thought was the coolest, most impressive, and most sophisticated of materials ever. It was called cardboard. It was everything I needed to create physical objects. Suddenly, I wasn't just having ideas, but also creating them. It was magical. I built tabletop games, space rockets, created cars, designed boats, made airplanes, and all sorts of machines. All of it just using cardboard. But it didn't take long for my excitement to disappear. My inventions were soulless structures. I simply didn't have the knowledge to make them functional. That was the closest I would get from the dream of a working idea. Fast forward 15 years, and I found myself getting immersed into the drone world. Those flying machines were changing our skies, and their technology putting the clouds within reach for more people than ever before. For the first time in history, anyone could pilot an aircraft. There were no longer any issues with piloting skills. But where was the real value in these drones? It was hardly an experience to just take a piece of plastic out of a box and power it on. That's when I thought, I could do better. I could make something new, something different, where you could create a drone of your own and learn everything about the science behind it. And above all, something to experience the freedom of creativity and invention like never before. And I would do it with the best material ever. Introducing Droneboard, the easy-to-follow kit for building customized drones out of cardboard. A combination of hard science and visual arts, a DIY kit like no other. One that is both challenging and inviting while encouraging young pilots in the making to put their imagination and creative skills to the test. So, how does Droneboard work? First, unbox a drone and separate the parts. Then, take the cardboard cutouts and tear them apart. Explore all the creative possibilities and customize your drone. When you're finished, fold along the indicated points and assemble the pieces. Now, take out the motors, propellers, and battery. Assemble the motherboard and fit the pieces together snugly. Snap both the motors and propellers. Lock everything in place, and take to the skies. Recycle the cardboard and start all over. Again, and again, and again. To make Droneboard the best adventure possible, we have built the experience around these 4 pillars. Create, make, fly, and learn. With Create, build your drone with the easy-to-follow step-by-step guide. Make. Discover how to make your own Droneboard with our video-guided tutorials on how to laser cut and 3D print our designs. Fly. Download the app and have the best drone flight experience ever. With Droneboard's 70-meter range, 360 flips, and more. And last, learn. How do drones work? Who invented drones? Satisfy your curiosity and learn all the basics about the drone world with our platform's learning content. With Droneboard, you can make something that is uniquely yours, putting your imagination and design skills to the ultimate test as you figure out exactly what your perfect drone looks like and bring your dreams of the skies to life.